Ebenfalls wird auch Mama Karl Studio angefangen. Pokoknya jadi movie saya itu studio yang kedua. Buat apa kan sambil konsul dia di audio gua harus kan dia terus lagi saya tim terus. Now the new tujuan. Namanya cuma kalau Muhammad Al-Khalid yang akan saya apa bilang yang ibu kata Tuhan aku berpandang Liga Muhammad. Namanya cuma kalau Muhammad Al-Khalid yang dari pesan saya akan itu dia dari orang-orang oke berarti ada ada jasa studio saya sekarang sih yang tulis video
In the residence of Muhammad Al-Khalid Islamic Education Society, students can practice and discover sensory control. The management provided students to avoid painful or practice. They added the activities related to using children. Organized diamonds as an easy table to hardware can like the important to a high school. An executive professional of identity to the development of people. But classic gave their best authority as a and believe as well as to work on share prices. Every different piece was rather common for them to speak out and what the right and best speak out for them. Confidence and clear responses. Still, I recommend one that takes participate productivity and best speak out for them as a preparation for the airport. I'm glad to do it with me all for the TV for the future care of the alliance and one who's not placing.
Apakah sampai berkasih berkait lo online? Anak sudah lagi kalau sudah dapat tinggal benda, itu sudah dapat tinggal bahwa masa jadi apa saja boleh.
As African Examination Council has announced that the technical issues affecting the release of the 2025 Senior School Certificate Examination SSCE result for school candidates have been fully resolved. All candidates are advised to check their result as this view is expected to affect every previously released WAEC result. WAEC also revealed that after the resolution of the issue, the pass rate has significantly improved 62.9% of candidates obtained grading and above in 5 subjects including mathematics and English. The Council explained its appreciation to candidate parents and other stakeholders